Chapter 16, The Spellbinding Spell of Storytelling. Ahoy, copywriting champions! In this enchanting chapter, we're delving deep into the mesmerizing world of storytelling, the mystical force that weaves tales of wonder and captivates the hearts and minds of our audience. Prepare yourselves, for we're about to unlock the secrets of crafting stories that transport, inspire, and compel action. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is storytelling, and why is it so potent in copywriting? Well, my friends, storytelling is more than just a series of words. It's the ancient art of weaving narratives that resonate with the deepest parts of our humanity. From the epic adventures of heroes to the intimate journeys of everyday people, storytelling has the power to connect us, inspire us, and move us to action. But fear not, for storytelling is not the exclusive domain of bards and poets. No, it's a skill that anyone can master with the right tools and techniques. So how do we craft stories that cast a spell over our audience? It all starts with understanding the elements of a compelling narrative: the characters, the plot, the setting, and the conflict. By creating rich, immersive worlds populated with relatable characters and engaging storylines, we can draw our audience into our narrative and keep them spellbound from beginning to end. But understanding the elements of storytelling is just the beginning. We must also tap into the power of emotion, the secret ingredient that brings our stories to life and forges deep connections with our audience. Whether it's joy, sadness, fear, or hope, our stories must evoke a visceral response that resonates with our audience on a profound level. And let's not forget the power of authenticity, the secret weapon in every master storyteller's arsenal. By drawing from our own experiences and truths, we can infuse our stories with genuine emotion and sincerity, ensuring that our stories reflect the true value and benefits of our offerings. So let us set forth on this magical quest, my friends, armed with nothing but our imagination and our unwavering commitment to crafting stories that inspire, delight, and compel. Together, we'll create stories that not only capture attention but also leave a lasting impression on the hearts and minds of our audience, guiding them on a journey of transformation and discovery. Are you ready to unlock the spellbinding power of storytelling and cast a spell over your audience like never before? Then let's embark on this enchanting adventure together and emerge victorious on the shores of inspiration and action.